Today, we're going to be going over how to deactivate a validation rule that exists in your Win It or Growth suite. To start, let's get into the org. Now that I'm in my org, I want to deactivate a validation rule. First, let me make sure you understand what a validation rule is. A validation rule is a process that fires when a user tries to save a record, and it is used for data integrity. So a good example here is I'm on this record and I want to move this record to closed lost. So I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to change the stage from submitted to closed lost. You'll notice the closed reason field appeared here, but it obviously has no value. The validation rule is that when this has been moved to closed lost, someone needs to put why it was moved to closed lost. So if I try and save, you'll notice it says we've hit a snag. Please enter a closed reason. That's an example of a validation rule. So if we want to deactivate that or any other validation rule, what we can do, I'm going to click cancel, is we can go into setup. So we're going to click on the gear icon in the top right. We're going to go to setup. We're going to select object manager. From here, we're going to find our object. So in this case, we were on the growth opportunity. Let's go growth opportunity. We're going to select our object. And at the very bottom of this left side menu, we're going to select validation rules. From here, you can see any validation rules that are in your org. You'll notice the ones that are active are marked as active with a check mark. And to activate or deactivate any of them, all you need to do is click on the validation rule, click edit, and then choose to either activate or deactivate it with this checkbox. So if we want to deactivate that one, I'll click save. And then just as an example, if I go back to my opportunity now, I'm going to edit it one more time. I'm going to change the stage to closed lost. Still not going to fill out a closed reason, but it should let me save now. And that's how you deactivate or activate a validation rule.